Welcome to the Luo 5 Luo words a day. This is day number 71, and if you've not been following these sessions, please go back to day number 1 and roll through to day number 71. It will really benefit you. Today we talk about two words. The first word is Askari, which is not really Luo, but we need to talk about it. And the second word is Aso, and it has several derivatives. So let's move on. Askari. Askari would be a soldier, a police, or a guard. And the correct Luo word is Ogulmama. Ogulmama. Askari is Swahili for a guard. So, you can say in a sentence, Askari okanobunde ewitado. Askari okanobunde ewitado. So the soldier has kept his rifle on the rooftop. The second word is aso or haso. Sometimes the H is silent, sometimes it's not. So you can say aso or haso. Aso is to spit up or to vomit slightly. You know, like when you give a baby some food, maybe some liquid food, and they have a heartburn, and then that they just vomit slightly. That is called aso or haso. Nyathi ka osemadho nyuka to nyaka ohasi eka onyalo nindo. Nyathi ka osemadho nyuka to nyaka ohasi eka onyalo nindo. So a baby has to slightly vomit when they are feeding before they can fall asleep, or they must experience that feeling of a heartburn. Then the third one is aso, also haso or aso, and that means to wear down or to exhaust the patient of someone. In a sentence, you can say, Okelo ohaso jaduong' gweng' kod penjo. Okelo ohaso jaduong' gweng' kod penjo. So Okelo has worn out the village elder with incessant questions. I don't know what that word. Don't worry about me. Number 4. Number 4 is an interjection called aso. Aso. So that's an interjection for calling, used for calling dogs sometimes. And then the last one is aso. And aso might also mean to winnow grain. That is separating good grain from bad grain. In a sentence, you can say, Nyar kindu aso bel mane ogol e puodho. Nyar kindu aso bel mane ogol e puodho. Great. So this is the 5th slide, and this brings us to the end of today's edition. And I hope to see you tomorrow with 5 more Luo words a day. Continue learning and have a great day. Please remember to subscribe and also share the video with your friends so that we can get many, many more people turning up for the videos. Oriti, goodbye.